Presenting the SkyTech Replicator, the breakthrough modular drone redefining the battlefield. One core, endless possibilities, from launch to mission impact, all in the hands of a single soldier. Swap from small motor arms to larger motor arms to carry critical supplies seamlessly. In seconds, swap arms and change the mission. Mission ready, anytime, anywhere. Swap from day to night vision instantly. Identify threats with advanced thermal vision for total battlefield awareness. No tools required. One click, total control. One brain, infinite drones. SkyTech Orion, building end-to-end unmanned and drone defense solutions from innovative modular platforms to large-scale mass production and innovation centers.